Guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can change your name or date of birth on your NIN slip. I mean your NIN slip, National Identification Number Identity Card slip. So let's assume you have any error that you want to rectify, whether it's the name, your date of birth, your first name, your last name, or your DOB. So in this video you are going to learn the full tutorial on how you can do it. Without no further delay, let's get started. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to your browser Opera Mini, then go to remitter.net. So when you are here at the remitter.net, you are going to scroll down to pay bills and purchases. So you click on bill and purchases, then you click on pay billers. So when you click on pay billers, on the next page that is going to load on this page, so what do you want to pay for? This is the purpose of your payment. So here you are going to choose National Identity Management Commission. This is National Identity Management Commission, which is NIN, name of service purpose. The reason why we are paying the money. Now let's assume there are different type of reasons here. You can see verification and card usage service, sales of government access, tender fee, refund fee, National Identity Management Commission NIMC fee, correction of date of birth. As you can see, correction of date of birth, day, month, year. This pay is 15,000. Then, as you can see, NIN slip reissue, card reassurance and activation, regular service African countries, and don't worry, don't let me bore you. So if you want to pay for your change of name, aside date of birth, if you want to change of name, whether you want to change your name, your surname, or your first name, or your last name, or you want to change from your previously lost number to a new number, the payment you are going to make is modification of any other field other than DOB. The DOB means date of birth. So you are going to choose this. As you can see, the amount to pay is 500 naira. It's automatic. Modification of, as you can see, modification of any other field other than DOB. The DOB means date of birth per transaction. Whether if you want to do two transaction, whether you want to change your name and you want to change your phone number at the same time, so which means you are going to pay for this 500 naira two times. Okay, select currency. The currency is naira. Payer's name, like the name of the payer, so you can just use Donzia here. Then payer's phone number, your phone number will be here, your payer's email, confirm email, and then you click on I'm not a robot. When you click on I'm not a robot, okay, when you click on I'm not a robot, the page is going to load. Then when you click on submit, it's going to bring another page that is say you should enter your card details. Okay, details. Then you enter your card number, whether it's your MasterCard, your ATM and Visa card, or your Verve. But don't use Verve. For the purpose of it, you just use your MasterCard or your Visa card. So you are going to enter the card number here, the card number at the front, the 16 digit number, then the expiring date here, and the CCV. The CCV, you are going to see the CCV at the end of the card at the top, at the right side. You are going to see the CCV, and you can see service charges. It is 163.94 kobo. So the total amount you are going to pay for everything is now going to be 663.94 kobo. So then what you just click on pay. After clicking on pay, then a receipt will be generated for you to download your invoice. So when after downloading the invoice, I will still show you the video of that. After downloading the invoice, this is how the invoice is going to look like. As you can see, I already blur the name, the email, and the phone number. I already blur it, but as you can see, that place is marked as red. That's going to show the payer's information, then the payment details. So payment fee, as you can see, mode of any other field other than DOB per transaction. The amount is 500 naira, while the charge is 152 naira, and the VAT on the charge, the VAT value added tax on it is 11.44 kobo. So making a total of 663 naira 0.94 kobo. As you can see, it's not even up to 1,000 naira. So, and definitely it's going to be showing the payment channel information too, as in the cash, the card that you use. As you can see, everything, as you can see, cash scheme is bringing Visa. I use Visa card for the payments. So if you have your Visa card, you can use it, even if you have your MasterCard, but I don't think they are accepting the Verve card. So this is how your invoice is going to look like. After getting the invoice receipt, you will need a sworn affidavit showing your name as you want it on your NIN. As you can see, here is a sample of one, but I already blur out the details that you don't need. After getting the sworn affidavit, you will go to any NIN enrollment center in your area. I live in Abeokuta, Ogun State, so we have one at Okemoson here in Abeokuta. So after getting to the NIN enrollment center, you show them your affidavit, the reason why you are there. They are going to give you a form to fill. After filling the form, and you will print out the receipt that you paid. The receipt, you print it out. You are going to submit both the form and the receipt. After submitting it, then you will be re-enrolled. After re-enroll, they will automatically do the capturing for you. After doing the capturing, you fingerprint and all that. After doing all that, then they are going to provide you with your tracking number, tracking ID. So with your tracking ID, you'll be able to generate your NIN out in any NIN enrollment center. As you can see here, the picture that is showing you, as you can see, we have Karim Abdurrahman Abiodun, born on December 25, 2002. And here is also Karim Ramon Abiodun, born on December 25, 2002. Here is a change of name that was done successfully. As you can see, here is the picture. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and comment. See you in the next video. Peace out.